Good morning, Tampa Bay. Let's get your day started. This is ABC Action News, taking action for you.
Get to your full weather forecast with Greg D in a moment. Good morning, I'm James Tully. Here are your ABC Action News headlines. The Florida Department of Health confirmed another coronavirus case overnight in Broward County. The health department says this is connected to a cruise service company in Port Everglades. This is the port where Caribbean Princess was supposed to dock. It has a do not disembark order right now while 2 crew members are tested for coronavirus. Right now, 26 people have died from coronavirus in the United States. At least 8 people have recovered. 754 people tested positive for the disease. Health and Human Services Secretary was pressed on the number of Americans getting tested, but could not give a number because many of the tests have been conducted by hospitals and private labs, and not all have reported back to the CDC. Italy just started a nationwide lockdown due to the coronavirus. The country's 60 million residents will only be allowed to travel for work, medical, or emergencies until April 3rd. There are more than 9,000 confirmed cases in the country and 463 people have died. Apple just updated its website to let everybody know that they can use some disinfecting wipes on iPhones, tablets, and computers. They suggest using a 70% alcohol wipe or Clorox disinfecting wipe. They say you can gently wipe the display screens and keyboards. Do not get moisture in any openings, and don't dip your phone in any cleaning agent. This morning, Tampa police detectives, they're piecing together a deadly domestic shooting. Investigators say that 2 people died at this scene in North Orleans Avenue. Their names have not been released. Another person was also shot and is at the hospital right now. Driving Tampa Bay forward, Sarasota city leaders, they need your help creating a master transportation plan. They'll be holding 2 open houses today to provide feedback on the planning process. The first meeting at 11 at Bayfront Community Center. The second, 5:30 tonight at the Robert Taylor Community Complex. All the details listed for you at abcactionnews.com/driving. The Coast Guard detachment in St. Pete says they've caught 2 people operating illegal charter cruises in the past few days. They found a 50-foot boat with 8 passengers on board near Treasure Island Monday. The boat had not been inspected. They also found a 22-foot boat with 6 passengers Saturday near Naples. If you hire a boat captain, remember to check that captain's merchant mariner credentials. Okay, back over to Greg D. Greg, has just been a wonderful start to the week. Weather-wise, how are we shaping up for Tuesday?
Looks really nice out there today, James. Yesterday, the winds were gusty. As I'll show you, that's going to improve quite a bit for this afternoon. Temperatures today back into the upper 70s to around 80 degrees. That is above where we should be for this time of year. Mix of clouds and sun. The wind yesterday approaching 17, 18 miles an hour sustained. Now those winds generally 10 miles an hour or less, so a big difference there. You can track the winds and the temperatures for the weekend in our app.